Munasiba. I am Sasinir Vidavas. I am a native of the commercial capital of Sri Lanka, Colombo. I have successfully completed the program of studies International Cookery and received national certificate as a cook. I have worked as a kitchen helper in Green Cabin, which is one of the most popular restaurants in my country, and I got 1 year service experience. So I can prepare meal ingredients for the cook, which includes washing, peeling, cutting and slicing ingredients. Not only that, I will properly wash and drying all dishes, utensils, cooking instruments and cutting boards, and storing ingredients and food items according to food safety standards. Those are the basic stuff. By the way, I can make soups, salads, pasta, rice varieties, sandwiches, desserts, and beverages. I love European countries, especially Romania. I have heard many interesting facts about Romania, so I love to get a chance of working in Romania and build my career path. Mulțumesc! Hi, I'm going to cut the vegetables. These are the ingredients: onion, carrot, and bell pepper. Now I am going to cut the onions. Now I am going to cut the bell pepper. Peel and cut the carrots. This is the final outcome.